Hi, we're here at one of the leading PVC compounders, certainly in North America. We just want to share their thoughts on Bausano Extrusion Systems.
Hi, my name is Nick Linch. I'm the president and CEO of Roscom Incorporated. So in the mid to late 80s, Roscom was looking for a twin screw manufacturer so we could buy equipment from. And we went to Italy and we met with Bausano Group. Since then, we've produced over 1 billion pounds of material utilizing the Bausano Extruders here at the Roscom facility. Our goal was to get to a machine that would run 1,500 pounds an hour. Bausano, with their 154 machine, has proven that we run 3,000 pounds an hour. So before we could actually buy a piece of equipment, we had to confirm that the material itself was going to work in our customers' locations. Bausano had a testing laboratory, a full production testing laboratory. So they allowed us to ship material. We shipped it in a dry blend form, 20,000 pounds of 4 different materials. We wanted to verify that the material coming off of those production lines would meet the quality of our customers' products. And they did. Just as the president and CEO, I've been into so many different companies, and Bausano's was the place, and it's hard to say this and people really believe it, but you could eat off the floor. Bausano showed us this new 4 transmission gearbox, and those gearboxes, instead of going for 2 years, we were running for 5 years, 10 years. The multi-drive system has proven that it actually works, and we need that for the amount of torque that we actually put through the extruder heads to manufacture our pellets, be it flexibles or rigids.
I arrived at Roscom in 1996, and pretty much all but one of our 5 Bausano extruders were already in place here at that time. So we've been running them pretty steady since the day before I walked in the door.
I actually love the Bausano. I mean, back in, I'm going to say 2001, I did the install of that line. That was the 5th one that we added. We beat the hell out of them. They're bulls. They run. We never really have an issue with them, which is great.
As a manufacturer who runs 24 hours, 7 days a week, and we're always in somewhat of a sold-out position, the importance of having spare parts. Bausano, the fact that they manufacture these equipment every single day, so if we needed a transmission or we needed a gearbox, some companies here in the United States, you wait 6 to 9 months before they'll even have a product to ship you. Bausano has been there for us right from the beginning. They have that type of inventory.
Bausano's spare parts and everything, we've never really had a problem. We always go at them with an email and they're back to us in less than 24 hours worth of response. They've never dropped the ball on us at all. They've always been right there with us to work through anything, any questions.
Bausano itself, you can adapt various other equipment, regardless of the manufacturers that we select that we want to work with. It ties in with the Bausano lines. When I talked about how clean and wonderful that plant was, and you look at all the orders and all the manufacturing, you knew Bausano was here to stay for the long run. And it's proven its point here 40 years later. They're a strong, wonderful company. They've done a great job for us. I don't know of any other company that I personally have working with, and I've worked with a lot of companies, I've designed a lot of plants, that the Bausano people and the equipment are state-of-the-art. If I put another production line in from Roscom, I guarantee you it's a Bausano line. You can go visit any manufacturer in the world, go visit them, go to the Bausano facility itself, and you make your own choices, and I guarantee you'll come back with the same feeling that I did, that you're working with a first-class world manufacturer equipment. And that's, for me personally, seeing it and seeing other companies, you'll never regret it. It's worth the trip. I'm not getting paid for this at all. I would never want any money. Bausano is a fantastic company, and I just wanted to spread that to anyone else that wants to listen. And I guarantee you, go visit everyone else, see Bausano, and you'll have them for life, just like Roscom.